Hi guys, this is Pinkie sitting outside enjoying the birds this morning. And look at these beautiful nails, all by Jimmy himself. Jimmy is the man. He's at Angel Nail Bar. Yes, he's the man. You don't go to anybody else but him. If he don't do them, oh gosh, you got problems again. Jimmy is the man. I mean, they last forever. It's orange because we're into, let me show you. We got Halloween too coming up. Orange for my pumpkin. Let me see, can I do it? There it goes. Okay, guys, I got to go. I'm getting ready to go in. Oh gosh. I don't know. Bye, guys, because I'm stressed. This is my morning stressed out look. Bye.